Is another coronavirus pandemic on the cards? China recently discovered a new bad coronavirus. The name of the virus is HKU5-CoV2. It was found to use the same human receptor as SARS-CoV-2, which was responsible for COVID-19. The new virus called HKU5 was found by a team of virologists led by Shi Zhengli, the famed scientist known as Batwoman for her lifetime work in coronaviruses, especially at the Wuhan Institute. So what is this new virus and how dangerous can it be for humans? Let's understand. HKU5 is a virus found in bats. It's a type of coronavirus, a large group of germs that can affect mammals and birds. Some have passed from animals to humans, like SARS-CoV-2. Some coronaviruses cause mild symptoms in humans while others can be lethal. Wuhan Institute researchers tested the newly discovered germ in test tubes and models of the human gut and airways to investigate its transmission potential. In that test, the team discovered that HKU5 was able to infect human cell cultures. They found the virus's spike protein was able to bind with the membrane of human cells via a receptor enzyme that sits on their surface. This protein has a feature called a furin cleavage site that helps it latch onto the receptor enzyme. The virus was first detected in the Japanese pipistrelle bat species in Hong Kong and has now been found to have the ability to bind to human ACE2 receptors, the same receptors used by SARS-CoV-2 for infection. Well, this increases the possibility of cross-species transmission. But can new bat coronavirus spread like COVID? The scientists warn that bat morbicoviruses pose a high risk of spillover to humans, either through direct transmission or facilitated by intermediate hosts. HKU5 can bind to ACE2 receptors in multiple animal species, but the researchers cautioned that the virus's efficiency in binding to human ACE2 is significantly lower than that of SARS-CoV-2. Notably, the study itself has stated that the virus has significantly less binding affinity to human ACE2, and other suboptimal factors for human adaptation suggest the risk of emergence in human population should not be exaggerated.